Hey boy, so only took 2 goes, but we finally got you to retire, so don't go getting any ideas just because Tadej's racking up the wins now. We're so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Not for the wins or the records or like that stuff's great, but the stuff that no one sees, the behind closed doors stuff, the level of self-belief, the level of commitment, determination and sacrifice is, I don't know anyone else that does what you do. We love you and I'm looking forward to, you know, having you around a bit more. So
Ciao Marco! I just would like to say congratulations for your amazing career, and you show to everyone what the fighter you are.
Our dream come true and then we did it.
Congrats on an amazing career. You've inspired so many people, including myself.
When I was a kid, me and my brother, we loved watching you. We were buying your Oakleys all the time because you were winning so much, and I spent all my money because of you, and I must say that it was a great honor to race with you in the bunch.
You influence us a lot, and then I'm one of your biggest support forever.
You are now the GOAT. You always were the GOAT in my eyes, and now probably your last Tour de France, you're going to go down as the greatest of all time. No one can ever take that away from you, mate. There's not many GOATs in the world, but you are certainly one of them, mate. I love you to bits, and I'm so happy for you and the family.
I wish you all the best for the future. I don't know exactly what you're going to do, but whatever you do, I'm sure you're going to do it with the same passion.
The last time that we raced against each other was in 2018, stage 11. We both finished out of time. We had to leave the tour, and somehow you kept going. You continued your career, you followed your dreams. I know you made your dream come true. Enjoy your family, do what you love. That's probably something with cycling, and I hope to drink a beer with you soon.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you for looking after Daddy Astana. We love you, Daddy. Bibbity, bobbity, boo!
Oh, that's super nice. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Really thank you for everyone. All those people who've been there, shared it firsthand, but everyone who's support from the side of the road, on the TV, lived every single pedal rev with me. This is an incredible race, an incredible sport. The Tour de France is like nothing else. And as well as a couple of victories, there comes a lot of suffering and dedication and desire to finish, just to be able to go again. It's a race that builds dreams, gives young people, old people, boys, girls,